football team's uniform and equipment, and so I'm selling Girl Scout cookies to you. We have our Thin Mint sticks, our Samoas, and our chocolate chip cookies. Take your pick.
The Papa here is trying to lose some weight, so I don't want any. Thanks anyways. Goodbye. Yes?
I don't think you heard me. I said I'm trying to raise some money for our uniforms and equipment.
I don't think you heard me. I don't want any.
Listen to the man. You don't hear me. I'm trying to raise money.
I don't think you hear me. I don't want any.